Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today I will bring a few consonants to our lessons. Let's start. The first group, how do we pronounce these two pinyin? The first one, b, b. Second one, p, p. In order to demonstrate the difference between the b and the p, I will make use of a napkin. Listen carefully and try to repeat these two pronunciations. Follow me. The first one, b, b. The second one, p, p. Get it? Now hear your voice, please. The first one, the second one. Very good. B and p. Get it? In the second group, how do we pronounce them? Listen carefully. The first one will be d, d. The second one we say in this way, t, t. I will still use the napkin to demonstrate the difference between these two pronunciations. Can you try to read them? Follow me. The first one will be d, d. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. The second one will be t, t. Can you help try, please? Well done. In the last group, the G letter in Chinese we speak in this way. G, G. The K letter in Chinese we speak in this way. K, K. Please observe the napkin when I pronounce them and try to read them. Follow me. G, G. Let me hear your voice, please. Very good. The second one, K, K. Let me hear your voice. Well done. After finish that, at the end of today's lessons, I will teach you your first Chinese new words. So, b plus a. How do we say that? B, a, b, a, ba, ba. Okay, now I would like you to repeat it twice. Ba, ba. Very good. Again. Ba, ba. Okay, and now, how do we pronounce them? I believe you has already got the right answer. Okay, it will be ba, ba. Very good. One more time. Ba, ba. Do you know what's the meaning for ba, ba in Chinese? Good, which means father or dad. I hope you enjoy the lessons, and I will see you next time.